1, 2, 3, 4!
Hi guys, my name is Sarah and I am the current president of the Los Angeles Dietetic Association. I'm really excited to be here and give you a little bit of information about a dietitian. I have been a dietitian in healthcare for about 4 years, and I just recently transitioned into a company that is selling supplements, and I've gotten a lot of different exposure. I've met a lot of different people, and one of the questions that people always ask me, or just something they always say, they say, oh hey, and this is our nutritionist, and it makes me cringe. I know that many people experience that as a dietitian, being called a nutritionist, or people saying, well, what is a dietitian? And there's a lot of confusion with the distinction between nutritionist and dietitian. So I wanted to just briefly set the record straight and give everybody a clear understanding of what it means to be a dietitian and why we're so proud to say that we are dietitians. Essentially, a dietitian is somebody that has an undergraduate degree in nutrition and then graduates and goes into an accredited program that you have to be accepted into. It's called an internship. And within this internship, you're exposed to a community aspect of nutrition, you're exposed to clinical, and you're also exposed to food service. It gives a very comprehensive overview of different areas that you can go into once you become a dietitian and the different type of knowledge that you can bring to these different areas. So it's really great. It gives you a science-based background. Nutrition can be very, very fat-oriented. There's diets coming out. There's gluten-free. There is the paleo diet. There are juice cleanses. There are detoxes. It can get really confusing. So as a dietitian, you're armed with science. You're armed with the ability to differentiate between these fads and see what actually makes sense from a physiological standpoint. You understand the body and you can approach most things with that science-based knowledge. So that is the main distinctive factors of a dietitian, whereas a nutritionist, I'm not knocking nutritionists because I know a lot of wonderful nutritionists, but it's just a different level of education. The dietitian has a science-based background. Nutritionists can still have that science-based background, but you can essentially call yourself a nutritionist without any credentials. That may change in the near future, but for right now, that is the distincting factors between a dietitian and a nutritionist. So I hope you guys learned something, and hopefully I will come back in a little bit and do another topic.
Well, she was just 17, you know what I mean, and the way she looked was way beyond compare.
American.